Alright, Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Taurus, this is for the weekend of the 30th of October. Just a small little mini read to check on your energies, and these are general collective readings. Taurus will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Taurus, let's start as usual with the blessing from our angels. See what my angels are going to bless you with. For Taurus, my angels, a blessing or an advice for the weekend. Blessing or an advice for my Taurus gang. Pause. Time to take a break, Taurus. What from? I don't know. We'll open your cards and see what this pause is all about. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. You're very kind to me and I'm very, very grateful for your support to the channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. To join us, subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in here. And yes, join us. Of course, this is just a small little mini read. The longer readings are on their way, start getting posted Monday onwards. But then this is just a little energy check-in to see how you're going to be feeling on your weekend. Taurus, let's begin. The first card I have for you here, Taurus, is the Queen of Cups, Seven of Wands, and the Page of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Four of Wands, and the Lovers. It seems, Taurus, you are kind of pulling your energy away from somebody, no longer showing them love, even though there is so much love here, my God. Full of love, Queen of Cups is here, but I think you've come to a point where you're kind of defending yourself. You're no longer wanting to share that love. You want to maybe keep it for yourself, it seems. Maybe somebody had a fight with you, there was an argument, somebody said some mean, harsh words to you, and it seems that you are right now quite clear that you know you don't no longer want to give of your energy to this person anymore. There is a Knight of Swords here. Knight of Swords here who represents somebody immature, rash, or maybe somebody is coming towards you in fury, it seems, looking for your love, but I think you're kind of being a bit defensive here. Yes, you're escaping this person, Taurus, because maybe this person did something wrong, maybe they cheated, they lied, and you kind of blocking your heart out even though there's so full of love. You don't find the strength in this relationship maybe anymore, kind of disillusioned, and you're deciding to pull away, feeling a bit sad and lonely and upset, but trying to heal your broken heart. I think somebody wants to come towards you with an apology here, Taurus. Somebody wants to come towards you with an apology, even though maybe you're not expecting it. Maybe you're feeling all is lost. But I do feel here somebody wishing to come. Maybe they haven't come for some time and that's why you're being disillusioned. That this person will never ever come back maybe. Maybe there's a pause going on, as my angel said. But I do see this person is a pretty cold character. So maybe you had no expectation from this person. But I have a feeling this person is now realizing their mistake and trying to balance things out, make things right, and they want to come and say sorry to you. I think a lot of reevaluation has happened in this relationship, maybe by them. They have seen that, so much investment has gone into this relationship already. They've been restless without you. They have been feeling sad and sorry without you, having a lot of regrets for the past, or maybe the way they behaved in the past with you. And they do feel a strong connection here. They feel they're losing maybe their soulmate, or this is, according to them, their perfect person. That's you, right? The Queen of Cups, who's kind of turned away. So this person is your person, I think, who wants to come and say, apologize to you, after a period of sadness, sorrow, going within, and kind of taking stock on what has happened till now. They want to make a decision now. They want to make a decision. They're not happy by the way things are going. They feel all is lost between the two of you, and that's really not doing them well. Yes, there is a decision to be made. I have two cards of decision. They don't want this tower to fall completely. They want to come out of this hangman zone which they find themselves stuck in, since maybe you pulled away your love and you stopped showing them love. So what's this decision to be made, Spirit? They want, they know that you're very angry. They know that you're very, very upset and angry with them. They know that they're probably going to have to answer a lot of questions if they come back. So they're a bit disillusioned, bit scared, but wanting to bring back justice, bring back balance. And they've spent time. They've spent time kind of taking stock of their life. They know who you are to them. They want to come out of this stuck place. They want this happily ever after, I think, again with you. They don't want this tower to fall or things to end completely. And they know a firm decision has to be made, even though they're afraid of your wrath and anger at the moment. So let's see what's happening on this weekend. This King of Wands is feeling quite down and out, Taurus. They don't have the energy, they don't have the drive right now, they don't have the passion. They know that you think that they've been a bit selfish, maybe, but as much as they tried to show that I'm the boss or whatever, right now I think they've lost their fire. Yeah, they are standing here like a wounded warrior wanting to fight for you once again. So one more card, Spirit, on the King of Wands. Yes, they are going to fight for their happiness. They have decided that I am not going to give up. I am going to fight for my happiness, but they don't know how to get you back, it seems. Three of Cups. Three of Cups, Spirit. Yes, they want you to return to them. They want to make a decision of having another go at it, I think, to have an equal give and take, a equal partnership. At least they're hoping to. They know they've been manipulating you in the past. Maybe this weekend also they're going to try some manipulative tactics if they come to talk to you. But the truth of the matter is that they are the ones who are feeling totally left out in the cold, feeling abandoned, feeling lost, feeling rejected. They want their rightful position again as the King of Pentacles now. Maybe they have not been showing you their emotions in the past, but now they want to be victorious with you, Taurus. They want to have victory with you. So expect some kind of communication this weekend. What's this Eight of Wands, Spirit? Eight of Wands. There's a lot of fear right now. They want to return, but I think they also feel very attached to you, it seems, with the Devil card. They are scared that they're going to lose their foundation. And if you don't come back and work with them again, they will lose their happily ever after. Yeah, they want to come in with some clear communication, Taurus. So that's on their mind. They may just send you a text or an email or call you or something. They are really wanting this badly, like in a very obsessive manner now, I think, because they feel their structure of their life is ending if you're not in their life. Yeah, they don't want to be stressed and tense anymore, right? So Taurus expects some kind of communication. They want to have a clear chat with them, but make sure that you have your sword up as well. Don't just be in the Queen of Cups energy. So if there is a talk, make sure it's fair and it's just. Okay, so it's an open. Don't let them manipulate you anymore. Anything else, Spirit, that Taurus should know about for this weekend? Yes, Taurus, this is a person who has been manipulating you in the past. This is a person who has played mind games with you. It's always their way or the highway. So if they come back for a communication and they want to have a fresh beginning, make sure you end up asking the right questions make sure your sword is up as well, and then see where you want to go from there. The power is in your hands. They may try and pretend otherwise. They may still try and be the King of Cups in reverse, which is a manipulative, emotionally manipulative energy. So they may twist their words around to make you feel that some other way, but in reality, they are shaking big time because they're scared of losing you. Okay, so be aware of that, and yes, have a great weekend. And whatever was happening is just a pause, or maybe you need to bring this to a pause. I don't know what your individual story is, Doris. And of course, if you need a personal reading, I'm available. My November schedule is now open. Email is in the description box below. So, my advice to you without the reading, personal reading, is that when they come back, if they ever come back, have the guts to come back to you, please know they're coming back for their happiness because you are their happiness, right? They're feeling lost without you. Very restless energy. So that's all I have for you, Taurus. Take care. Love and light. Namaste.